Hey, what's going on, huh? How you doing? How's it going? Listen, so I'm back out here at the property and there's a lot going on. I mean, there has been. I haven't updated you guys on everything. Previous video I showed you guys I was doing some plumbing at my house, and I haven't even shown you guys what's going on at the barn dominium. So I'm standing in the barn dominium right now, and there's a lot since you've been gone. Since you've been gone. Anyway, yeah. What is this? Kitchen cabinetos, okay? We got kitchen cabinets, folks. They're here, take a look, all right? Boom. Kitchen cabinets as I go down. Now, granted, these are all hung. The base ones are not yet, and even the top ones are not yet kind of screwed in. They're just hanging, they're just sitting on top of those. But the point is they're there. Second, if I go down, notice, floors. Look at the floors. The floors are here, they're done, they've been grouted. I mean, look at that grout. Just look at it. Anyway, still got some cardboard and whatnot to protect, because we got dirt. I mean, it's dirty outside. You come inside, it's all dirty. Anyway, yeah, that's what the kitchen looks like. You know, once it's all said and done, booyah shaka, all right? But let me show you some more action, all right? Because we're not done, folks. We're not done. Sneak peek, not yet. Boom, more floors. This is your kind of wood grain, whatever, tile. Boom, more floors. Still gotta wash it. Obviously, there's a little haze from the grout, you know, so it'll look a little different. But boom, wood pattern or wood grain pattern floors. And then check it, y'all. Bathroom. All right, same tile that comes from down the hallway goes into the bathroom, and looky, we got tile on the walls in the bathtub shower area. It's nice. I like it. It's nice. Toilet's not quite set. Getting that situated. Sink isn't set yet either, but it doesn't matter. The point is that it's getting there, okay? And as I've been saying forever, it's getting there, guys. We're almost there, all right? The shop room, I did not, obviously, I mean, this is, look, there's nothing here. And that's intentional, okay? Because we're not quite finishing that until we pass inspection, then we'll figure that out. Until then, that's just the shop room, okay? But yeah, dudes, we're getting so close to being done with this place. It's just a matter of kind of doing some finishing touches. Obviously, we got doors to put in, interior doors, which we already have. Just need to set them in, paint them, obviously, paint some baseboards, some trim, all that good stuff, and we're golden. So a lot of progress here at the barn dominium, because we got like a month until we got to be out of the city, okay? Lease is up in the city, end of March, so I want to make sure we know by beginning of March that we're good to move into here. Yeah, but yeah, last week I did a bunch of work at my house. I did the plumbing, obviously. I'll show you guys over there in a little bit. I got some more to do. I'm telling you, plumbing, you work, and then you're like, dang, I gotta stop because I don't have this fitting or that fitting. And then you gotta go get that fitting and this fitting. And so you kind of just push it off till the next day or whatever, because it doesn't make sense for you to drive to the store for one thing, and so on and so forth. But that's okay. We're getting it done. So plumbing, the drain waste vent, is basically done. Okay, and then it's off to water. All right, and then I got water lines to run, and I got the gas line to run. I want to run some Ethernet cable to a few rooms. And then I got some mechanical. So I met with some HVAC folk last week as well. And everybody gives me such different dramatic and drastic different stories about HVAC and what you can do and what you can't do. And I'm getting tired of it, okay? So if you're an HVAC guy, I'm not happy with you, okay? You get one guy, comes in, oh yeah, we can do mini splits in here, no big deal, this is what you gotta do, X number of heads, blah, 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 and I'm like, well, I can't understand you, why are you talking like that? And just kidding, he doesn't do that. But the point is, they're like, yeah, mini splits, no problem. And then you get somebody else, you meet with somebody else to get another opinion and another bid, and they're like, oh, you can't do mini splits in here. You wouldn't want to do that because X, Y, and Z in the world would fall off the edge of the face and the friggin' thing. And you only want to do conventional system because... And I'm like, okay, and they're like, mini split's gonna cost you like twice as much money, and blah, blah. And I'm just like, all right, who is telling me the truth? And so I mentioned it to another guy, and they're like, listen, the people that say mini splits are too expensive, or they are too hard and you can't do it because of this, and that, they are just old school. They're not comfortable with the mini splits. They haven't put them in enough, they don't know them, it's not their thing, so they deter and detract people from going that route, and so they try to get them to do the old conventional and duct work and everything else, and I'm trying to stay away from it if I can. I don't mind it, like if it's the last thing I, kind of last ditch effort and I have to go the conventional route, I'm not gonna complain. Do I want mini splits? Yeah. Do I want them for like quadruple the price of a conventional system? Heck to the nizai, okay? But we'll see, right? It's just like, so I got a pretty promising lead on some mini splits, and we'll see, okay? We'll just see. But I'm supposed to hear back on price and all that goodness, and hopefully hopefully I can get this, because this is the one question I don't have solved yet, because I got electrical coming this week as well. They're gonna go do electrical in the house, so that's golden. Okay, I already bought all the material for that, and it's nice. Okay, we got a nice little cash deal going on for that. Okay. And I got a good deal. And this guy is the guy who did the barn house here, and he did a good job, real good job. Anyway, yeah, right now, I'll show you my office, check it out. I'm working on a toilet box. Check it out, upside down toilet box. Hey, it's whatever, and I sit on this emoji pillow because these chairs are hard for my buttocks. I need a little cush for my tush, everybody knows that. If you know me, why is every surface you sit on so hard? Anyway, I'm just gonna stop talking. Anyway, and I got Menards guy coming, transportation company. Did I just pick my nose on the camera? I don't know. Don't judge me. I'm a human being. I bleed red just like you. Don't act like you don't pick your nose. Never mind. I got Menards guys coming. All right, they're coming to pick up all the leftover wood. Okay, I'm about to go out there and show you a little bit of what kind of leftovers we got and why we got it. But yeah, they're picking it up. I'm getting my money back. I'm happy about that because I got plenty of other stuff to buy. Okay. Anyway, I'll be right back. Got a lot to return. It's a whole pile here. Got this long stuff. Got a bunch of 2x6s, a whole bunch of those. Got another set of 2x8s and some I-joists, a whole stack of cedar and some 2x4s and some more I-joists. Got some green board, got some rim joists, got some more 10-foot OSB and some 8-foot OSB, and this guy's coming to pick it all up. So we'll see how that all works out. All right, first one's on. Anyway, we'll let this guy do his thing. Okay, family is here. We are working on burning stuff. Menards guys came and took the actual good lumber. There's plenty of good lumber like this. I mean, this is like a 2x12. I mean, 8 foot long, you know, half sheet of OSB, a bunch of pieces that can be used for a number of stuffs. And so we're just kind of wheelbarrowing all the junk, small pieces, broken, bad boards, whatever that can't be used for anything else. But otherwise, we got a bunch of scraps and cutoffs that, you know, are still good and useful for plenty of projects. So yeah, we're just going through and organizing. If you remember from a previous video, that pile right there was just full of garbage, all sorts of stuff. So this pile has been greatly decreased, and yeah, we're just working through it. We got a number of piles all around the house that we need to go and take care of. So not fun, but hey, this is the not glamorous side of building a house yourself. So who comes to clean up the mess? You do. Okay, so if you're ever thinking about, hey, do we want to build a house? It's not just, you know, coordinating contacts and subcontractors to come and, you know, and come do the work. You got to clean up after them. You got to prep for the next one to come in and do it. You know, come in and do the job, right? Like, I don't know, who's going to take these forms off, right, from the sidewalk and stuff? Me, probably, right? You know, concrete guy's not going to just come back for that after everything's cured and stuff. So that's that. I mean, there's plenty of work to be done still. More piles over here. Some stuff you can salvage, some stuff you can use. But then again, it's a space thing. Where do you put all this stuff, right? I don't want to keep it in the barn. It takes up so much space. But you don't just want to throw it away. You don't just want to burn it. Because as you go through and you start prepping other stuff within the house that you're working on, you know, framers may have missed this, missed that, need a stud there, need a backing for drywall there. You don't want to be running to the store for that when you got all this wood you could have saved. So yeah, you know, that's what we doing. That's how we working. Fire's getting a little crazy. Make sure it doesn't burn off down the house that we just built. That would suck, but I'm sure we're good. Anyway, let's clean up.
All right, one thing I don't understand, and maybe somebody can explain this to me, right? We have that porta potty over there, right? And the guy was out here, he was cleaning it, and he cleaned it. You know, he got the big old hose that goes and sucks it all up the dookies and whatnot. He did that, so he left, you know, and I'm like, just put some stuff away in the barn. I'm like, oh, I gotta go pee. All right, so I go in there. I'm like, it's gonna be nice, fresh porta potty. I'll be the first one. I go in there, lid's open. There's a massive dookie right in the middle of that porta potty, right down in there. And I'm just like, what? Like, you can't just do that. You can't like go clean it and then use it. I want a discount. Anyway, y'all take it easy. Feel free to follow along. Subscribe. Go ahead, just go ahead and click it. Click the subscribe button. Go ahead. Yep. Okay, thank you. And hit the like. Hit the bell. Hit the whatever you want. Okay, but we'll see you guys in the next video. We're making progress, as you can see. Y'all take it easy. Till next time. Peace.